Click on the Gantt settings to enable Primus Online and export the IFC. Export an updated version of the IFC model. Select the export type. Complete includes all model entities, including those not processed. The new IFC file will contain new properties, such as any associated amounts. Partial includes only the 3D model elements processed and associated with periods in the Gantt chart. Set the red marker to define the export end date, then send the request. Download the updated IFC model, upload it to usBIM, and view the new properties associated with the elements.